Today I meet my friend. We will meet for lunch. I am ready. I am happy. I open the door. Oh no, it is locked. Where are my keys? I need my keys. I am late. I am late for lunch. I look at the table. No keys. I look again. Still no keys. I check my pocket. No keys. I move fast. I go to the kitchen. I look on the counter. No keys. I look again. Nothing. I am late. My friend is waiting. They are waiting for me. I need my keys. I go to the living room. I look at the sofa. I look under the sofa. I check my bag. I check again. Still no keys. Where are my keys? I stop. My friend is waiting. They are waiting for me. I need to say sorry. I need to tell them. I am stuck. I cannot go. I cannot find my keys. This is not good. I feel bad. I walk back to the table. I look again. No keys. I feel worried. I feel nervous. I am late. I need to go now. I walk around the room. I look everywhere. I do not understand. Where are my keys? I check my pocket again. No keys. I check my bag again. No keys. I run upstairs. I go to the bedroom. I look at the bed. I look on the table. No keys. Where are my keys? I stop. I think. Wait. I go to the door. I look at the door. My keys are in the door. How did I miss that? I take my keys. I feel better. I am not worried now. I have my keys. I can leave. I open the door. I go outside. The sun is shining. It is a nice day. Today I will meet my friend, but I cannot find my keys. I look in the kitchen. I look in the bedroom. I look everywhere. I feel worried. Then I stop. I think. I remember. My keys are in the door. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.